and today we are going to learn how to convert date into days. That is, whether the day was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that. So we usually face this problem for calculating working days, etc. on a regular basis. And today we are going to learn it by two methods. First one is by using the text formula that I have already written in the E column. You can use this method by typing equals to text. Then you need to select the column where you want to apply this formula, and then you have to write t d 4 times and then close the bracket. If I press enter here, I will get the day against the date that I have mentioned. Again, if I apply this whole formula, I will use Ctrl C and then apply over my cells by using Ctrl V. And this is how we will convert the dates into the days. That's the first method. So the second formula is a bit simpler. For that, you need to select the region where you want to apply the conversion of dates into day, and then you need to go to this location, that is in the home tab, and change the format. You can go to the more number formats area and then select custom, and then in the type you can write directly DDDTT. Okay, now you can see that the sample has already got that it was Sunday. If I press OK, then all the dates have now got converted into day. You can apply both the method that you think is a useful one or easy to apply. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching.